For this Richmond Hill family, the kitchen wasn't just a space, it was the heart of their home, waiting to be brought to life. They envisioned a kitchen that wasn't just beautiful, but one that truly fit their lifestyle, practical, versatile, and timeless with coastal charm. With a large family to gather, 10 in total, they needed more than just a kitchen. They dreamed of an island big enough for everyone, with hidden storage to keep things tidy and a layout that felt effortless. They wanted a dedicated pantry to tuck away the mess during celebrations, and even moved the laundry room upstairs to make room for extra storage and a second sink, fridge, and dishwasher. Most of all, they wanted the design to flow seamlessly to their marshside deck, embracing the outdoor beauty they love so much. What was once a cramped, limiting space is now the heart of their home, a kitchen where cooking, laughter, and family moments come together effortlessly. This wasn't just a remodel, it was a transformation that brought their family closer, creating a space where memories are made and shared.